The 3 guys will be hanging, so drop some the gorda. So we're doing the famous D&D building hallways on 11th floor. We're doing the hallways, we're doing the elevator area, the ceiling, and men's and women's bathroom. Today we're just gonna concentrate on just the hallways, which is the regular vinyl, and eventually we're gonna get to all the areas. It needs to stay better, so this paste. You understand? So I'll show you. So this corner. Yoba, you want me to show you?
So we will be doing all this hallway, right?
Yeah. Basically everything. Show me the other one. Put the paper up. It's regular vinyl with canvas backing. Tenzin. We're putting primer. This is a wallpaper primer, and this basically grabs the wall when we cut on the wall, so it doesn't split. So once we put the paper up, especially in this kind of paper, we need to cut on the wall. So whenever you're cutting on the wall, if we don't use the specific primer that grabs the wall tight, the wall will split, and you will see all the split all the way around. I have more guys coming. They have that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Don't do. Touch कुछ है ना. Cut a little shite.
cool stuff. I think this is
Just start with the regular vinyl first, and then we're going to see if we can get to the elevator. She said she had XLR. We'll see if she wants to go ahead with that. Okay. Nice.
You want to do residential?
More holes with the patch.
This is a
Right on, left. Whose job is that?
Hey, this is Tenzin, and we have finished doing the hallway for Phillip Jeffries. So Phillip Jeffries is one of the largest manufacturer of wallpaper in the US. And look at this wallpaper over here. This is silk with the pattern. And when you put up a silk material, there's always challenges like you can't have paste bleed through the front of the paper. So it's a beautiful Phillip Jeffries printed silk material. And if you come down over here, this is Phillip Jeffries vinyl. So this kind of a material, what we do is we don't match anything, but what we do is we panel every wall so that the wallpaper looks just equal and looks beautiful. So over here you have a beautiful Phillip Jeffries wooden wallpaper. So this is the one that you see over here is all wood, and then they put up on the paper backing, and they have done a very custom design on the wood veneer. And if you look up here, these are the gold leaf wallpapers. So what they did is they actually put all the gold leaves onto a paper backing and made a wallpaper out of it. So it is gold leaf, very special wallpaper that we have installed here in the hallway of Phillip Jeffries.